Michael Lyons, company Smart Energy Systems. We're based in County Clare. Predominantly we're a water conservation company, specialising in leak detection as well. So we'd help companies basically reduce their bills. I suppose we'd start out by auditing maybe within their premises, see exactly what they're using, their consumption is, see if they have maybe leaks, and then we'd maybe put a program in place where they can conserve water, how they can reduce their bills. We started back in 2008, so we did. Started out just myself and Alan. We've got 2 employees now, so we have a couple part-time as well. So it's going pretty good. It's tough times out there, but the fact that you're saving people money is, an incentive for people, and it may lead them to saving serious money, over time. The range of products we have vary in price, but payback-wise, it's fairly short. So you could have as little as 2 months of a payback period up to 6-8 months. It was just from our experience, working in that kind of an industry, seeing exactly what people were looking for, and we saw that maybe there was a niche market there and not many supplying that niche market. So that's the reason that that we targeted. And started out working with small SME companies, and showing them exactly where savings can be made, and we've moved on now to work with larger companies. Loads of challenges, really. I suppose the biggest problem we had was not having enough information, on different areas. We'd have been good on the technical side of things, but on managing a company, accounts-wise, and that's where we suffered, starting out. The likes of our local county enterprise board were helpful at the start, and we are now working with Enterprise Ireland as well on a couple of products. So they are helpful, and we got an initial grant to help us kind of set up and get going, which was very helpful, at the start as well. Through Enterprise Ireland, we have a mentor at the moment, so he's working with us on a 6-month program. So basically we have a meeting with him once a month, and he kind of looks at where we are at the moment, where we should be targeting to be by the following month. That's very beneficial, it's kind of good guidance. I suppose we joined some networking groups, got local contacts, and then through the likes of the county councils we got more awareness, to local businesses and that, as to what exactly we were doing. And since that, it's kind of, customers, we talk to other customers, and it's word of mouth really that's getting a lot of business. We've also spent a good bit of money on our website, Smart Energy Systems Ltd, which really, helps us get new customers, and a lot of people are out there now are looking, at ways of conserving water. At the moment, we're very busy at the moment, so we are working with a lot of different clients and looking to expand as well in the future, Yeah. Yes, there's definitely opportunities out there for other companies to start up. I suppose, although at the moment the majority of our work would be in the commercial market, it's only a matter of time, until the bills come in for the domestic market. So that's a massive market. It's very important that companies are out there, meeting not alone potential customers, but meeting other companies that are in the same field, because although you may have competitors here, you may have a lot of companies here that are looking for people in our area to supply to their own clients. So it's been very beneficial, so we've met quite a few companies that hopefully we will do work with in the future.